suppose don't know the reason why I call you now.
Kochi, me I no know.
You sef, I no even sabi whether you get sense or brain sef.
I get sense, sir.
Oh, you no get brain?
No, sir. Na sense I get. For our family, we dey get plenty sense. My papa tell me that one well.
Wait first. Apart from ball, you get any other thing you sabi do for this life?
Yes, sir. I sabi knack woman well, sir.
Oh my God.
No, I no know say you get this kind hidden talent oh. Anyway, make we focus on wetin I call you now for.
Okay, sir.
On Sunday, we dey go Anfield, and na for there we go snatch our mantle for Premier League leadership for their hand. And as things take be, God don butter our bread because some of their players get injury. Their potential dey low now. So I want make una take full advantage of the bread wey dem butter for us. But Kochi, na that same low potential boys dem use collect Carabao Cup on top Chelsea hand o. And Chelsea carry their complete squad play. Chelsea na club, even the lion wey dey their back don run leave dem, carry pussycat keep for dem. Academy boys go knack Chelsea join.
But na those same Chelsea boys throw us for Etihad.
No, leave that our match with dem for Etihad. That one na different thing altogether. You see that 10th position wey dem dey ba?
Dem dey 11th.
Dem get outstanding match. Dem go win am enter 10th. Just dey watch. That 10th position na their only hope for a better future. And if you wan collect person last hope, him go fight with him last blood. Na wetin make dem no gree for us that time. And as I understand their condition, I come pity them. Now back to our main talk. Liverpool na the only real threat wey we get for this season Premier League title.
But Kochi, what of Arsenal? Those guys don't dey tear people neck up and down. Their goal difference no be here o, and them even win us for first leg.
Abeg, leave those people jare. Na them be Premier League title escorting champions. If them like make them win us home and away or top table from beginning of season to the day before the last match, them go always bottle and give the serious club. I even hear say them don go open another bottling company. So Kochi, wetin you wan make we do for that Anfield? First of all, make I start with you, De Bruyne. You know say na because of the match I rest you for that Copenhagen game. I want make you settle down, coordinate that our attacking midfield. They feed this Haaland and Foden their correct dosage of ball, because if you know dey enough, dem go start to dey get withdrawal symptoms.
What? Ha! I know they get withdrawal symptoms.
Someone shut up there. No be you dey quick close inside opponent 18 if you no dey see ball. Foden own na busybody. Him go just dey busy everywhere, but he no dey do anything.
Okay, no problem, sir.
And you, Walker, sir, I want make you use run finish Liverpool. Run everything wey dey that your lane down. Okay, sir. You no even need to mark anybody. If you just use better speed, run past their players with the whole ball. Only your shockwave go throw away them from the ball. Yes, sir. I hear say that Nunes don come back, and him don go learn how to score important crucial goals.
Yes, so
Wetin go happen be say, by the time we score reach 3 or 4, the only crucial goal wey go dey for am to score na consolation goal.
no problem, sir.
And one last thing. If una see any of those small children wey him bring come for Chelsea, make una just shout for them. Dem go leave the ball for una run. No wahala, sir. Make una go continue una training.
You believe that thing Kochi talk about Chelsea?
Omo, I no believe am o. Na nonsense talk be that.
As if say no be us dey inside pitch, dey play dem flesh and blood.
I tire o. Na just say the guy dey always deliver with him tactics. Na why nobody fit question am.
I remember the time when he go dey put player for different scattered positions wey dem no dey play, but we go still win.
You dey talk remember like say him no dey still do am.